Keeping kids active at home is so important. It helps their bodies and minds grow. Plus, it's a fun way to spend time together as a family. You don't need fancy toys or gadgets. Simple household items can spark imagination and create hours of entertainment. Let's explore some fun activities that will keep your kids engaged and entertained without even leaving the house. Remember, the goal is to have fun and create positive experiences for everyone involved. So, put on your creative hats, gather your little ones, and let the adventures begin. Arts and crafts are fantastic for kids of all ages. They boost imagination and help develop fine motor skills. Gather some basic supplies like paper, crayons, scissors, and glue. Now you're ready for endless possibilities. Make homemade Play-Doh using flour, salt, and water. Cut out shapes from construction paper and create colorful collages. Use old magazines to make vision boards or tell stories through pictures. Another idea is to decorate plain t-shirts with fabric markers or tie-dye kits. The key is to let those creative juices flow. Who says learning can't be enjoyable? Turn ordinary household items into educational tools. Use flashcards to practice spelling or math facts. Play a game of I Spy to work on observation and vocabulary skills. Create a scavenger hunt with clues hidden around the house. Baking is another excellent way to combine learning with fun. Measure ingredients together and teach kids about fractions and ratios. The best part? You get a delicious treat at the end. Physical activity is crucial for children's health and well-being. Even indoors, there are plenty of ways to get those bodies moving. Create an obstacle course using pillows, blankets, and furniture. Play a game of hide and seek or tag. Put on some music and have a dance party. Jumping jacks, push-ups, and sit-ups are also great exercises that require no equipment. Remember to encourage breaks and hydration, especially during more energetic activities. The most important thing is to keep it fun and engaging.